So when I did this and I did that and I saw I took his confidence, that's when I switched it up. And when you switch it up on the guy, maybe he says, okay, he's going to walk me down like this. And now when I come the next round and I'm going like this, he's like, what the fuck? I was just about to make the adjustment on him doing this. Now he's walking me down. And it messes a guy's head up. The ability to switch up styles. And we're just blessed to have that flexibility.
What he just saying, right? Look at his face. The man just went 9 rounds with a guy that just fought for the world title. And he looks damn near the same way he did before he got in the ring. See, the whole object of boxing is hit and not get hit. All that you hit me and I hit you went out with John O'Sullivan.
And look, honest to goodness, 4th round, my hand went numb. My left hand went numb. He hit me with a shot that caught my elbow, and my elbows clashed. And it hit my bone right here, and my whole hand went numb. And it was crazy. I went to the corner, I told Willie my hand's numb. And it was crazy. Like, right now, I can't feel this right now. But shit like that happens. This is the fight game, and we just got to keep it going.
And we talked about getting in his head. Coming into this fight, did you think that you would be able to get into a seasoned veteran's head with tricks of the trade like that?
I'm a veteran. I'm a veteran. That's the thing. That's the thing. Saul Roman, Soto Carrez, Fernando Guerrero, Angulo, Derek Ennis,
Jamal
Davis. What's this dude?
Jose
Iron Bruce.
These
guys, he's a veteran. I'm a veteran. I'm 26 years old, but I'm a veteran, and that's the thing. I step in the ring, and these guys know. The boxing world knows I'm a threat. They know it. I mean, the 5 losses don't mean nothing. I'm the best fighter in the game right now with 5 L's.
Without a doubt.
With 5 L's.
So you named everybody.
I want Canelo Alvarez. I want Canelo.
Just sent a text to Golden Boy.
Look, we want Canelo. He's young, hungry, and determined. I'm young, hungry, and determined. Can you imagine me and Canelo Alvarez together? HBO, whatever. You talking fireworks. It's the best rivalry in boxing. Mexico and Puerto Rico. I love Mexico. I love Eric Morales and Marquez. I love these guys. I look up to these guys. It's the best rivalry in boxing. Wilfredo Gomez, Salvador Sanchez, Trinidad, Oscar. It's the best thing. Now me and Alvarez are the future.
You can't be denied this performance. Do you think you're going to catch his attention with this stuff? Or do you think just
how could I not? You know, how could I not? This type of performance, man, this is what the fans want. The fans, this is what fans pay to watch. They want to see knockouts. You know, I'm going in there and I'm taking chances because at the end of the day, I'm not just trying to get a win. I love when the fans are screaming. I love when I'm walking out and they're hugging me and they want pictures. I love that. That's what I want to give the fans. I'm an entertainer. I love to entertain the fans. I love it. And I love to brawl. Ain't nothing. I'd rather brawl than box. I'd rather brawl and bang toe to toe, but do it with skills and smarts. I'm banging, but I'm slipping, I'm dipping, I'm making a miss, I'm countering.
And even when he's getting hit, he's not getting hit flush. He's rolling with it. Everybody gets hit in boxing.
I didn't get hit flush today.